Learn my secret how to find market reversal when you trade ES or NQ futures. Let's cover this trade that we took today where we made 512 USD. Main beauty is that there was risk only 60 USD, 60. And what's the catch here? First, on a bigger time frame, if you use this part, it is composite profile. Pay attention, it is bigger time frame. And have a look here. I use special tools, composite profile. Why is this stuff super important for us? Because it shows to us distribution of volume, and often value area low and value area high of composite profile could play out a powerful support resistant area. You can see it here, how previous value area low played out as a powerful resistance. The same here, the value area low played out as a powerful resistance, and have a look how big move had happened. And the same happened today. You can see price reached value area low of composite volume profile, and the most important, what was there? It is a local confirmation. Some of you could ask me how to get access to such a platform, where to analyze it. I know that many of you are looking for a prop firm where to trade CME futures. Workspace for free. There would be a link to download. You will need to fill the form and download it right now to also see all of these beautiful indicators in one place. It is the first part. It is a bigger picture. That means reversal better to look for when price reach fundamentally strong area. And second, what is really good, when price show to us a local confirmation. What could be a local confirmation? Local confirmation better to analyze, of course, on a smaller time frame. At this moment in front of your eyes, it is 5-second chart with a bookmap. In this platform, in ATAS, we have these DOM levels. It is the same as a bookmap. Beauty is that it works really very faster. You can see as market orders plus significant limit orders, and you can see how price react on them. And have a look what's going on here. When price reached that fundamental area today, what had happened? You can see, have a look again, open bigger time frame. Fundamental area started around 19416, and here you can see 19416, it is here. Pay attention to this massive sell market orders. Why it's super important to see sell market orders after significant drop? Because often it is a stop losses of people who bought at high. For example, some people bought at high. Like imagine those guys who bought it high. What happens to their positions when price go against them? Yes, they sell into a bottom with a market orders, because stop losses, they always become a market order when they execute it. Because in a market you don't have stuff like stop loss, because you have only market order or limit order or conditional order. But still, conditional, it is a part of limit order. And here you can see a lot of them, their stop losses hidden into a bottom. After that, what happened? New buyers started entering, and again, those new buyers, their stop losses were taking exactly at low. And that was exactly a moment when I saw first close above previous low, when I took long. Beauty here, what's beauty was here? That my stop loss in that case was only 60 ticks. Have a look, stop loss was only here. I must be honest with you that I tried to take it first time, it didn't play out. And after that, I took a trade, stop loss was only 60 ticks. And at this moment, since that low, price of NQ moved into our favor, entire 550, 600 ticks, nearly 600 ticks without any significant pullback. I know that some of you could say, but Yuri, it's coincidence, like it's nothing special, like you were luck. Friends, luck, it is when you see something like this first time, but when nearly the same I traded yesterday, have a look, it was yesterday day, when I also took quite a lot of longs. Have a look what yesterday had happened with NQ when I took long. My last long was here, and what after that NQ did? 1000 ticks rise without any decent pullback. Have a look what was exactly confirmation there. Before I show to you, in the description there would be a link to prop firms that I personally use. You will get a discount. Also, if you will buy evaluation by our link, you can direct message to us and we will help you to set up all templates on ATAS to work it with that stuff correctly, and we will help you to set it up for free. And have a look again here. You can see that it was what was that level was, my friend, it was value area high of composite profile. Yes, sometimes it's not so accurate. You can see price this time did a bigger drop. Price took stop losses several times. That's a reason, by the way, why I wasn't lucky enough yesterday. But in the end, yesterday, the price did massive rise. And also have a look how significant delta absorption was when price was here exactly at bottom. That's why use powerful key levels with local confirmation and you will have the best risk to reward ratio when you trade indexes. Right now I ask you to push like, follow me and watch this video lesson about my indexes trading strategy to understand what exactly I do to start making money on this beautiful market. Have a good time.